Okay, now so please just see the way I'm going to go about this Christmas stuff. All right, so just come to your Kinemaster. All right, so select your 16.9. Is that clear? So what you do is don't use the black color, just go directly to your what do you call it, whatever templates you want to use first. Okay, so let's pick this one. All right, so because you have about 3 of this, so you choose the first one that you want to use. This is the very one. I just want the flash. Once it bursts and there's the flash. Okay, so I will stop the clip there. All right, that's just what I want. So I will trim it. I'll trim it to the right. I don't want the other parts. All right, then I will come in with the other clip I want to bring, which is for the one that the Father Christmas was holding that stuff. So let's look for it. This one is very long, so you have to just look for it. Okay, so you have to look for it, the particular place. Okay, this is the clip. All right, so let's see it, where it's starting from. It's starting from here. Okay, so what you do is you trim to the left. Okay, then you play to see where it stops.
Merry Christmas!
So that is where it stops. Bring it back a little bit, and then you trim it to the right. Okay, trim it to the right. So that is for that. Now you want to bring in that same clip to bring a background. Want to bring that same clip to bring a background. Okay, so you go here, instead of going to layer, you go to media. You know, we have been importing from media all this while. So let's see if we can get a clip to do background for that small boy. All right, so let's see if we can get one good clip to do a background for that boy. A good background. I want something nice. Okay, so this one is cool. Okay, so let's use this one. All right, let's use this one. All right, okay. So what we'll do is first trim to the left. All right, then we'll take it a little bit forward. If it's too much, we can trim later. All right, so we'll trim it to the right. So we now have a short clip. So what we're going to do is we'll go to layer. Okay, because that boy's layer, yeah, this is the guy we're looking for. Okay, so that's cool. It has to be here because this one is the major layer we brought. Okay, which means we want more of this, right? Okay, so let's this is the boy, that's the stuff there. Let's bring it up a little bit. Yeah, and then you can make it small, you can make it whatever. So as you have clicked on it, you click on it and you go to your chroma key, enable it. When you enable it, the boy appears. All right, so we are still dealing with the clip. We can adjust it to be a little bit smaller. We can bring the boy to one side of the video like this. All right, so let's play and see what we've done there. Let's play it and see what we've done there. A very short clip of him. All right, so I'm going to trim this to the right, and I'm going to also trim this to the right. All right, so we've gotten that. All right, so I want us to do the end credit. That's the messages in which we want to send to the family. Okay, so this is what we do. It's simple. Bring in the black color here, please. Bring in the black color here. All right, once you bring the black color, extend it to where you want the credit to be. Okay, then we'll bring in this clip, this very clip. We'll bring in this very clip here, this chroma clip. All right, this particular one, this one. All right, so that's the one we are going to be using. Okay, so I didn't delete you from my clip. Let's see if we can remove the, but I believe you have the right one. Okay, so I don't know why it's like this. There's something wrong, but let's just manage it this way. You have the correct one there. All right, so to bring the lettering that stripes off, click on this black and click this effect, the one near the scissors by the right, just click on it. Okay, then you scroll down. Don't go to basic title, go to more title effect. Okay, then when you scroll up a little bit, you will see credits. Click on credits. Okay, so you can see the clip there. All right, so you click on credits. Okay, then in this box, type whatever you want to type there. Blah 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 blah. To easily get messages, just go to Google and see family Xmas messages, family Xmas greeting. Okay, or Xmas family greeting. You will see so many greetings there. Pick the one you want, copy, and come and paste it here. All right, so in order to adjust this very well, let me click on this particular one and drag it very well so that I can cover the page. I don't know why the picture is showing like that. I don't know. I'll check later. So, but your own is okay because I sent it to you. All right, so when you play, this is what happens naturally. So okay, the wordings will come like that, like that. When it comes to the end part, just click. When it comes to the end part, okay, just click and trim it to the right. Okay, also trim this to the right. Okay, so you have that clip already registered. So what we are going to do now is to bring in the ending Christmas stuff effect. Okay, so I'm going to be taking it from here, and I think the one I used in my video is this particular one. Good, so let's use this particular one, this one here. Good. So first of all, trim to the left. Okay, then go to the end of the clip like that. Make sure it's visible, make sure it's visible here. Okay, so trim this to the right. Okay, so you have that clip there already. All right, so at the end, when it's getting to this end here, all right, when it's getting to this end here, you can, if you like, you can take the snapshot, or just make sure that it ends there, and the name of the family can be there. But sometimes it is good to just introduce this black layer. All right, just introduce it here and bring it to the starting of the black. Okay, bring it to the starting of the black. Go to layer and say test. Then you can just simply say with love. Okay, with love from, all right, Phillips is not my name. I'm just using it. Phillips family. Okay, so there's no family you send this to that they will not love it. Okay, because it's cool. And you say okay. All right, when you okay, make sure that we are here. Okay, resize it to this very size you want. All right, go to type. All right, select a very good type for it. All right, you can color it if you want. You can make it light yellow. All right, if you want to make it light yellow, beautiful. All right, depends on what you want. If it is white, fine. So as you still click on it, go to outline. All right, go to outline, enable it. It makes it more visible. If it is white, you can go to glow first, enable glow. Then if it is yellow, just go to outline so that the borders can be well seen. All right, so that's it for that. We have our video. All right, so let's play and see. It's cool. So let's add animation to it. All right, so you can just come here and add this, come to this place, and let's see look for some good stuff. Okay, so it is not actually hot. Okay, so but please make sure you reposition these clips. It's very important. Make sure you reposition them, because as you are adding the transition, it may shift your clips a little bit. So make sure it's well checked. Okay, make sure they are well checked, and that you you make sure they are well checked, okay, and that you appropriately arrange them in the way that you're supposed to.
Daddy, mommy carry cooking. This place is even open. Why did she leave this place open?
No. I'm not ready yet. Okay, so you go here. All right. So make sure you check all the clips and make sure they are well arranged. Okay. So this one is supposed to come here. All right. So now that we have our clip, let's play and see. Let's play and see what we have done on Kinemaster. Okay.
Merry Christmas!
Okay, as you can see, this clip goes into that part, so shift it a little bit. This is why you must play. This is why you must play your clip before exporting it. Okay, this is why you must play your clip before exporting it. So you have to make sure that it's well arranged. You have to make sure that your clip is well arranged. All right, so this is it.
Merry Christmas!
Okay, it still enters. So let's shift it back a little bit. Okay, good. A little bit. Shift it back a little bit so that it doesn't go into that clip at all. So okay, you can see that clip is okay now. It's clear now. All right. So if I were you, I can extract the audio here. Okay, all you just need to do is click on this. When you say extract audio, it gives you this way. So that audio, you can shift it under all the clip, or you just simply go to your free music online, get a Christmas, if you have a Christmas song or something, all you just need to do, come here, all right, and if it's downloaded on your computer, add the music to it, whatever music you love. I cannot choose music for you, whatever music you love. Okay, then you can export your